Hi everyone, in this video we are going to create a blog section in Elementor on the home page. Since the free version of Elementor doesn't include a blog widget. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, for first time, you have to install essential add-on for Elementor, this one, and you have to activate it. And then I have page like this. Scroll down, click plus, flex box, direction column, edit container, advanced, unlink padding, top 5T and bottom 5T, and click plus, type post grid and drag here, just like that. You can select layout skin like this, like this, like this, or like this. You can select grid like this or masonry like this. You can select column 3 or 4. I prefer 4, and you can activate it button load more like this, or infinity scroll, but I select button load more. And then you can show excerpt, hide or yes, hide or show like this, yes, no, yeah. And then you can show or hide, read more text like this. And post per page, you can change maybe 3 like this, but I prefer 4. For image, you can select thumbnail medium or large as you like, but I prefer medium. Okay, just like that.
Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so I can make more videos. Thank you.